one-pot taco spaghetti.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with a large saucepan or Dutch oven. You're going to put in a pound of ground beef in there and you're going to cook this up until it's no longer pink. Drain off any excess fat if you'd like. Then add in 32 ounces of beef broth and then one 14.5-ounce can of fire roasted tomatoes that are diced. Then you'll add 1/2 cup of water and 1 packet of taco seasoning mix. And then a 4.5-ounce can of chopped green chilies. I'm using Old El Paso brand because that's all we have in our grocery store when it comes to green chilies. Stir that around and then add in 12 ounces of uncooked spaghetti. I broke mine in half. You can leave the noodles whole if you'd like. Bring this to a boil, then reduce it down to a simmer, and you're going to cook it about 20 minutes, stirring quite often until the spaghetti is done. And as it cooks, the water will start to be absorbed by the spaghetti. It'll thicken up quite a bit. And then at the very end, when the spaghetti is done, turn the heat off and sprinkle with about a cup of shredded cheese. I use that taco blend, already shredded cheese that you can get at the grocery store. Just let it sit there, let the cheese melt, and then serve it up. Now this meal, from start to finish, you're looking at about 20-25 minutes to cook this. So it's a really quick, delicious dinner, especially if you love the flavor of the taco and the flavor of the green chilies. If you love taco flavored things, you might want to try this beefy taco bake. It's an old video, but it is a really good recipe. Thank you so much for watching.